So in earlier session, we draw the pose on top of the video itself. In this session, now let's try to extract the pose and create a blank image, and we will be drawing the detected pose on top of the blank image. Now let's see how we are gonna do it. The first step is to grab the width, height and channel of the image. So that's using frame.shape. This will give us the shape of our image, and let's declare an output image using numpy np.zeros. That's how we define an image with width, height and channel, and we are done with our image. So it's a very easy step. Now we will copy this new image, and instead of frame we will draw our landmark points here. Done. And in display we will be displaying output image. Let me run it. Okay, what is this error? Zeros. Okay, this is a typo here in np.zeros. There you go. You see here it has extracted all the landmark points from the video itself. If we have to compare it from the video, let me play the video for you as well. There you go. So let's see. So if you see here, it's very clearly visible. It has extracted all the landmark points from the video itself. Now similar thing we can do with our live cam as well. You just have to declare an image, a blank image basically, which can be declared using numpy. And be careful, you have to supply same sort of width, height and channel so that it's in sync with the actual video or actual image.